recipe of onion uttapam. So let's start. So the ingredients of my recipe are 3 cup of rice, oil, 1 cup of urad dal, onion which is chopped, some salt, methi seeds, some coriander leaves which are finely chopped, chilies which are finely chopped, some ginger and curry leaves which are chopped, and some thin poha. So let's start. Now take 3 cups of idli rice and add 1 tablespoon of methi seeds. Then add water and soak it for 5 hours. Now in another bowl add 1 cup of urad dal and then add water in it and soak it for 3 hours. After 3 hours, the urad dal has soaked well and I transfer it into this blender jar. Then I am going to add some poha which is soaked. And now I am going to blend it into smooth paste. I blend it into smooth paste and the consistency should be like this. And now I am going to transfer it into a pot. In the same blender jar, add the soaked rice. And now we are going to blend it into smooth paste. I blend it into smooth paste and now I am going to transfer it in the same pot. I added both the paste in the same pot and now I am going to mix it properly and cover it with a lid and ferment it for 8 hours. After 8 hours, the batter has fermented and thus doubled its size and now I am going to mix it properly. I mixed it well and now I am going to transfer it into a bowl. I transfer the batter into this bowl and now I am going to add salt as per taste. With that, a little bit of water to adjust the consistency. I mixed it properly and the consistency should be like this. And now we are going to go to the next process. Now take another bowl and add some onions which are chopped. With that I am going to add some ginger which is chopped, some curry leaves which are chopped, some coriander leaves which are chopped and some green chilies which are chopped. With that I am going to add salt as per taste. Now mix it properly until everything combines. I mixed it properly and my toppings are ready and now we are going to go to the cooking process. Now take a pan and grease some oil in it. I greased the oil well and now I am going to add 1 tablespoon of the batter in it. Spread it well. I spread it well and now I am going to add the toppings on it. I spread the toppings well and now I am going to press it gently and cook it from one side for 1 to 2 minutes. After 1 to 2 minutes, the one side has cooked and now I am going to add 1 tablespoon of oil on the other side. Now I am going to flip it. We will cook the other side for 1 to 2 minutes. The uttapam is cooked from both the sides and now I am going to transfer it into a plate. I transferred it into this plate. You can serve it with coconut chutney. So this is my delicious and tasty onion uttapam recipe. Give this recipe a try and enjoy.